Welcome back, everybody. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here, and today on the field we have another retail review. Today we are going to be ripping into some Zenith 2022 NFL cards. As you can see on these, we're going to wrap 7 rookie cards per box on average. We're going to be looking for an ultra rare Aloha insert. We'll have 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. And every one of these, you're supposed to have a auto or a mem. So decent chance there being retail to at least get a decent card out of every box. Makes these a little more desirable. I believe I got these off Walmart for around $28 a blaster. I don't know if they're still on there. This will be my first look at them. As you can see here, some of the things we're chasing. There are numbered cards 1 to 100. You can get the base autographs in the red zone. Some fourth down, touchdown numbered 1 to 100. Some rookie autographs. Some inserts. We'll have a Z Team, Z Stars, Class President. A little throwback of the Pacific Revolution. Behind the numbers, a Thunder and Lightning, which in previous year, I believe that was a Thunder and Lightning error. We can get the Pacifics also in red and blue. A Rookie Wave with red or blue. An Aloha Sparkle. Zoned in Prime, which is numbered to 50. A Rookie Stallions. And then a Rookie Stallions Prime numbered to 50. Some Color Guard Primes numbered to 50. So a lot of chances for some low numbered cards out of these. So these are I think these would make them kind of a fun one to chase. And I believe you can get some RPAs as well. So there we have it. Our 6 packs, 4 cards per pack on our first blaster. I've been looking forward to ripping some of these. We have gone through most of the retail rips here over the last week or two. So if you are interested in seeing those, you can go back to my previous videos. I enjoy ripping these for you guys. And here's our look at the base card. I'm not a big fan. These are probably one of my least favorite base cards out of the retail that's come out. But the inserts in this do look good. So Deebo Samuel, Jalen Hurts. Our first rookie is a Christian Watson. And our second one is a red zone of Sauce Gardner. So nothing too exciting out of that pack. You got to look at some rookies and a couple base. All right, and here's more Matt Ryan. And probably a mem card here. We'll save that for last. And here's a look at the Thunder and Lightning. Micah Parsons and Trayvon Diggs, which I am a Dallas Cowboys fan, so that's a good PC card there. And our back card is a rookie, Hassan Haskins. And we have just a mem card, Christian Watson rookie. There's a look at the Stallions. That one is not numbered, and I'm going to assume probably not player worn. Nope, so just a patch. Still a good looking card. So that'll probably do it for our auto or mem in this one. Still looking for that Aloha or numbered cards. Corey Davis, Chris Brown, a rookie Bo Melton, and Devontae Wyatt. So first blasters, pretty average, I'd say. I do like you aren't getting swamped with the base like we have in some of our previous rips in this retail. I feel like this has a pretty high ceiling for it. And here's a look at a Revolution of Tua. Very nice looking insert there. So the inserts we've got so far have looked pretty nice. Oh, that's just a really thick card, so good looking card. Looks like you're usually getting a couple of rookies or a rookie and a insert there. in every pack. Geno Smith, looks like he's getting signed to a big deal. A Trevor Penning rookie card, and Lewis Sign, red zone rookie. And look at our last pack of that first blaster. Not sure how rare these autos are going to be out of these. If they're anything like the rookies and stars, you have a decent chance, it seems like, of hitting some autos. Little Trevor Lawrence, Bailey Zappi. And there's a look at one of the Pacifics. Looks like your silver. Nice looking card there, Jonathan Taylor. And that'll do it for our first blaster. See if this one will hold an auto for us. I've definitely found some of my favorites for these blaster boxes and retail packs. I've had a lot of luck with the rookies and stars. Right now, that's probably my favorite one since the Mosaic, which I saw Panini does have back on their website if you're interested in getting in more of the Mosaic blasters. Looks like the price of them went up a little bit. I believe they're going for about $45 on the Panini website or their app if you use that. Troy Anderson rookie and Kenneth Walker on the red zone. I'm not sure if I found them for $45 if I'm going to go after any more Mosaic. We still got a few more in stock here. But and here we go, that's something different. Our backwards card, we'll save that Justin Fields. And we have a Tyquan Thornton rookie and another Pacific, Matthew Stafford. And looks like we're just going to have a zoned in Justin Fields. And it is not game worn or from any event. So another patch, just so we're going to look at a mem card you can get out of here. So no autos out of those two blasters. Like I said, I do have more of these, so hopefully we can score a couple autos out of what I have in the future. A couple stuck together there. Carson Wentz, Dak Prescott, Tyler Batty in the rookies, and a Calvin Austin rookie. I've not seen any of the class presidents yet. Hopefully we can at least find one of those inserts or pull a numbered card. There's a Patrick Mahomes. I'm a big fan of numbered cards. That's like, knowing you have one of this many cards out there. I think that makes them interesting. Isaiah Likely. And the first Z-Stars will be a nice looking Jamar Chase. So those are cool looking inserts, not numbered. But these are a little thicker. So good card stock there at least. These have a little better feel to them than some of the retail stuff since they are a little thicker. Your base cards are pretty normal, maybe a little sturdier, but you get those inserts and they do put them on a little thicker stock, so I do like that out of the Zenith. Another Kenneth Walker and a Zion Johnson red zone. All right, here will be our last pack for the Zenith on this review. So far, I'd say I am a fan of this. I look forward to ripping some more of it. Have you guys ripped any of these and had any hits? You can let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoy these review videos, if I'd appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribed so you can get updates when other videos come out. I try to do a couple videos a week at least. So I appreciate it. Another Zion Johnson. And for our last card of this rip, we have a Tom Brady. Another insert behind the numbers. And these will not be numbered either. This one's got a nasty little bend, so we might have to put that into a top loader, see if we can straighten her out a little bit. But good looking insert. We can kind of go through our hits here. Fun product. I think it kind of has a high ceiling. These are pretty average boxes from what I can tell. Just a couple mem cards. There's one of them, Justin Fields. Nice Matthew Stafford, Jonathan Taylor, a Tua Tagovailoa, and a Thunder and Lightning, Micah Parsons and Trayvon Diggs. So that'll do it for this review. Overall, I'd give this maybe a 6.5. We didn't get anything crazy, but still nice inserts. You get a lot of cool inserts, and they're pretty common. So you're not just pulling a lot of base. Let me know what you guys think of this product, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.